Just think, we wait out the rainstorm, catch some slaunches. There we go. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? That's a good fish. That's a good fish. You're good. You could rip right through it. And like if you get hung up, just rip it right through. And when you rip it through, you can let it sit because that might cause a reaction strike from a bass. That's my first catfish. Let's go. That's, oh! He barely had it. Did he mess up the... Good one though? I couldn't really tell. He just grabbed it. The hook didn't even penetrate him. That thing looks so good in the water, man. I love this. No, but like, if I brought a rain jacket, that would go crazy quick. I have one in my car, but it's like emergency. There we go. Oh, let's go, bro. I haven't seen the back over there. Little guy. Right in the top of the mouth. He's really warm. He was right up in the grass right there. Yeah. I'm about to put it there. Right in the top of the mouth. There we go. On that Bandito Bug. Texas rigged. Fishing in the rain with the homie Eric. And try to catch some bass. First one of the day. Tiny guy. Gonna try to upgrade from that. Might be spawning. His tail's all muddy or bloody. Look at his tail. Tail's all bloody. Yeah. Definitely spawning or something. So here we go, guys. First bass of the day. Try to upgrade from this here on. But I mean, it honestly really depends. That was sweet. First bass of the day. There's another one. That's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. That's a good one. Again, over in the shallow water. Definitely a bigger one. Oh yeah, definitely upgraded. That could be a female. Fat. Very warm fish. Probably close to 2.5. Right at a quarter in the mouth on that Bandito Bug again. Alabama craw color. There we go, guys. Another bass. Bigger one. Dude, look how tall that bass is. Eric, we gotta get you on one. Whenever you wanna use one of these Bandito Bugs, just let me know. There we go, guys. Second bass. Let's let him go. The fish? Did he peel drag? No. If he didn't get hooked, he should bite again. Oh! Bro, I saw a wake. I literally saw a wake behind this bait. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Dude, that spot I casted at, he literally came up and just waked on it and missed it. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? That's a good fish. That's a good fish. He's snagged up in the log. Dude, come look at this. That's a really good fish. That was the one that waked on it. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a big, dude, that's a big fish. He literally was sitting in the pads waiting for it. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Dude, that's another good fish. That was the one that waked on it, and he missed it. He got snagged on that log, and this thing came up and munched it, dude. That's a good fish. Huh?
That's a Mundo fish.
That's at least a 3.
It's huge.
There we go, guys. Another bass on the Bandito Bug. He came up right at that log and smacked it right on the other side by those pads and just destroyed it. Another really good fish.
Good.
Cool. All right, there we go, guys. Another bass on the Bandito Bug. See, he's off.
A good one, bro.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, dude, that is freaking crazy.
There's a lot of carpet. Who's that? You want this Bandito Bug back?
You can have it, bro.
But like you can have it, but like it's all ripped up though.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. There's also a 250 subscriber giveaway coming soon. I'm going to be giving away a rod, so stay tuned for that. And me and Eric will see you next time. Thanks for watching. That's what I'm hoping for, but look at
Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. It just never stops.